Today we talk about how can you download your data on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just click here on privacy authorization here. You come to accept here, then you click here on download data, just click on it. You come to accept here. It's going to show for you like this. And here add your email address and you click here on send. Then it's going to download the video automatically on your Webull app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.